I will make this metal brake to bend sheet metal to start a side business in making grills and small ovens. I have this rusty angle iron from the scrap yard, so I will clean it using my angle grinder with the metal brush. This needs to turn on this, so I am making hinges with these old bolts and tube. It only needs to fit with a minimal play inside. I always use this bigger angle grinder instead of the small one on thicker steel. It cuts it much easier and faster. I use the small one when I need more control over the cut. Don't push down and let the grinder do the work. I need the center of this piece in line with the edge of the angle grinder, so I need to remove this bit. Nine millimeters, half the thickness of the hinge axle. As I said, for more control. This is my first chisel from my woodworking phase, more than 10 years ago. Welding this piece is not accurate, so I need to tack weld it and check the alignment. I am tracing where to cut for the chips and the clearance for the hinging action. I will do a plunge cut with the angle grinder. I will use the jigsaw with the bimetal blade to finish inside the cut. I am using 0.5mm shims here, so the two angle iron pieces don't jam. Yes, it did jam and it's hard to move. Let's finish welding and repair this problem. This is great recycling method with minimal energy use. You just have to learn how to weld. Yeah, I don't like my fingers. Marking which two go together. Eight millimeter tap. Enlarging the hole with 8 millimeter drill. One point two millimeter shims this time. I didn't over tighten it like last time. Just snug enough. Much better. Nine millimeter drill for a bit more adjustability. This extension is to support the third angle iron, which is the clamp that holds down the sheet metal. The bolt 16 millimeter and the tip is 22 millimeter. This is so I can adjust the clamp for different metal thicknesses, but I will not use this brake for more than 1.2 millimeter or 18 gauge sheet metal. I will use this square tip for the handles. Now let's try it and see where are we. Nice bend, but it needs to be a little sharper. The best thing about the brake is this flimsy sheet metal turned to a very strong part. Let's add some improvements. First, let's make it easier to remove and put back the workpiece. Hit the like button if you are enjoying this. The second improvement is this stop for the clamps, so I don't need to set it every time and prevent the clamps from moving back. The third improvement. The clamp is strong here and here, but weak here, so I need to transfer the strength to the middle. The pedants. And don't worry, there is a wall between me and where my son is playing. The fourth improvement is to make the bending edge sharper. Over half meter sheet metal test. Very nice and straight bend, but I need to fix it better to the table in my garage. And add a foothold down like this. I don't have more sheet metal to do more tests.